The beauty of the microbiological world is fascinating. Microorganisms are essential to all life on Earth, and they are everywhere. Good ones, but also those that are harmful. For over a decade, Bruker has been changing microbiology through the application of 𝗜ಲ್ಪ as a fast, easy, and cost-effective method for microbial identification down to the species level. Even so, deeper microbial strain typing is necessary, be it for hygiene control and source tracking throughout industrial production lines, animal health monitoring, or quality control within pharmaceutical and biotechnological processes. Traditional strain typing technologies, however, are time-consuming and not accessible to every lab. To address this challenge, Bruker developed the IR Biotyper. This fast, cost-effective, and easy-to-use system applies infrared spectroscopy to classify microorganism strains with high specificity. After a straightforward sample preparation procedure that starts from a culture, the silicon plate is simply inserted into the IR Biotyper, and the analysis begins. Predefined classification models based on artificial neural networks enable the rapid detection of known serotypes and strains. Isolate clustering, equivalent to molecular methods, is visualized through convenient tools such as dendrograms, distance matrices, and scatter plots. The IR Biotyper delivers same-day strain typing results, enabling fast screening, real-time monitoring of contaminants, proactive root cause analysis, and effective quality control during pharmaceutical and biotechnological processes.